Friends, if I am correct on the Sharjeel Imam issue, I have spoken here at the same place for 4 times. So, you know what is the matter. You know my position. Several speakers have already said many things, and there is very little space for me to repeat those things. And as Somo sir has said, that Sharjeel Imam is not just a political prisoner. He is not someone who has done chakka jam. Sharjeel Imam is targeted because of his thought. He thinks very differently. Sharjeel Imam has studied at Center for Historical Studies, History. I am also fortunate that I belong to the same center where Sharjeel Imam has studied. I understand a bit of history. And I have read the work of Sharjeel Imam. I know why Sharjeel Imam is being targeted. And friends, if you think that Sharjeel Imam is targeted only by Hindu right, you are wrong. If you think that Sharjeel Imam is in jail because a few upper caste people who are sitting at the top, who believe in caste system, who go to attend communal organizations program, they are against Sharjeel Imam. No. Sharjeel Imam is in jail because Sharjeel Imam is fundamentally critiquing the way this system is going on. What is this system? The system is that Muslim is outside of this nation. Dalits and Bahujans are less important. Their lives are less sacrosanct than the lives of upper caste. If a person who belongs to Brahmin caste, if his rights is violated, you will find our politicians going there handing over checks. Fine. If anybody, be it upper caste, lower caste, Dalits, women, if that person's right is violated, the state must take responsibility. But at the same time, if a Muslim, a Dalit, if their rights are taken back, the overall conscience of this nation is very reluctant, hesitant to speak. I will give you one example to illustrate my point. In JNU, Safai Karamchari, sanitation workers were holding protest because their salary were not given. It was not released for so many months. I got to know that story, that incident. I went there, I recorded their view, and I uploaded on YouTube, and I sent the link of that YouTube to one of my friends in Patna. That friend has once upon worked with JP Moment. He is very senior person. When he looked at that video, he did not say anything about how Dalit Safai Karamchari, the sanitation workers are eating, how they are managing, whether their children are getting milk or not. His first question was, oh, how irresponsible these people are that they are sitting so close that they are violating Corona's laws. You understand the mentality. And I said, sir, I am very sorry to notice that you worked with the movement led by JP, but your thinking is just like communal forces. And for several months, we did not have any exchange of letters, any communication. So, if a person who has worked with JP movement if that person is not ready to understand the issue of Safai Karamchari who do not have money, who do not have their money to buy milk, medicine for their children, do you think that such people are going to stand with Sharjeel Imam? And I know he says that I do not vote for Saffron party. He says many times that Abhay, you think that I belong to communal organization. I am not. I have never voted for any communal organization. If a person who is not voting for communal organization has no sympathy for Dalits, Adivasis, do you think that the matter is only related to binary between secular forces and communal forces? No, it is not like that. And here is Sharjeel Imam relevant because he was trying to break that, what should I say, the communal and secular binary. So the communal forces realize this guy is very smart, and the secular forces realize that okay, now he is coming to become leader, we will not allow him to become leader. The vulnerable section, the Muslims, the Dalits should continue to vote for us, for the secular parties, and we will speak for them. From where this man from the IIT has come and he is talking about history, he is talking about communal rights, just throw him out. And that is why you have seen, and what my friend earlier has said, that several teachers of the JNU have not spoken in favor of Sharjeel Imam. So this binary, the secular and communal binary, the Brahmanical structure, which is not limited to any communal party, that thinking is there in secular party as well. I am telling you, I write for Hindi, English, Urdu media. You think that Urdu media is pro-Muslim? Friend, if I write a story in Sharjeel's favor, I am afraid many Urdu editors will not publish it. I want to tell you that at several places I have recently visited, and when I have spoken, I was stopped. Please do not speak like this. And I stopped. I was made to stop in the middle. So I am telling you, these people, those who are sitting at Muslim organizations, they are afraid. And why they are afraid? Because they know that not only communal forces, even the secular forces are not with them. They are not with constitutions. Friends, as a history student, I know what is taught in the classroom. If you read the modern Indian history, what is taught? We are taught that Mahatma Gandhi, Nehru, Indian National Congress, they launch anti-colonial struggle around civil liberties movement. The freedom of individual was very dear to the heart of Nehru and Gandhi. But when India became independent, the same Nehru and Gandhi, when they came to power, they have not kept their promises that civil liberties are sacrosanct. When they were under the colonial rule, they all the time said that civil rights are sacrosanct. But when they came to the power, they continued with half of colonial laws. The laws related to sedition and several laws which are related to anti-terror laws, they have their roots in colonial period. So if they are nationalists, they should have done away with. So neither communal forces are nationalists nor secular forces are nationalists. In fact, both are anti-people. And I am telling you, Sharjeel Imam has understood this game, and he framed the question in this way, and that has hurt the most. I am telling you, there are several Muslim political prisoners who are in the jail. You go and ask, what about Sharjeel Imam? And your secular friend will fight with you. Arey yaar, you are very communal. I can understand, we can speak in favor of this Muslim, that Muslim. that person. But why are you speaking in favor of Sharjeel Imam? Because Sharjeel Imam is not only Muslim, he is not only JNU student. Several JNU students have gone to jail, they have come out, they are visiting temple, they are campaigning in Bharat Jodo Yatra. They were at one point of time big champion of civil liberties, but they have stopped. They need power. But Sharjeel Imam is the name of a thought.